So in this next part, we're going to talk about graphing when you're given a slope and a y-intercept. So we covered this in the previous chapter, and it's pretty easy, very simple. So when you're given a slope and a y-intercept, the first thing you're going to plot is your y-intercept, so 0, negative 5. So looking at this xy axis, I'm going to start at 0. So my x is 0, which is right here, and my y value is negative 5. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Now, in our slope, we're going to use our slope to graph our next point and then make our function. So since it's positive, my numerator will go up 3 and my denominator will go to the right. Now, I mentioned before in the previous chapter, if you run out of space on the right side, you can always go opposite of the whole slope, opposite, to find the points on the left side. So let's start off with using these arrows, up 3, right 4. So starting with my y-intercept, so up 3, 1, 2, 3, and then right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let me zoom in a bit for y'all so you can see. Alright, now I'm going to continue. So I'm going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and then right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So right there. So basically you just need 3 points, but as I said before, if you run out of space on the right side, you can always go opposite of this and then find your left points on this side. But once you get 3 points, then you're just going to connect them and make your linear graph. Alright, so here I finished making my graph. Now you can use a straight edge to make your line graph to connect through the 3 points. And then that's all you have to do when you're given a slope and a y-intercept. In this example, so our slope is negative 2/3 and our y-intercept is 0, 4. Alright, so when you're graphing, first thing is to find our y-intercept. So 0 for x, which is in the middle, and then y for 4, or I mean my y value is 4, so I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So my y-intercept is going to be here. This is my y-intercept. Now looking at my slope, since it's negative 3 over 2, that means that my numerator, I'm going to go down, and then my denominator, I'm going to go to the right. Alright, so looking at the points using our slope, I'm going to go down 2 and then right 3. So starting from here, I'm going to go down 2, 1, 2, and then right 3, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to go one more time. So down 2, 1, 2, and then right 3, 1, 2, 3. Following our slope. So once you get 3 points, that's good enough to make our line, so I'm going to connect them like so. Include my arrows on the end. And then this is basically what your graph of a linear function will look like, given a slope and y-intercept. So that's all you have to do when they're asking you to graph with a given slope and y-intercept.